Patuloy lang tayo sa paglalakad dahil kontento na tayo sa kung anong meron. There are days that life will challenge you, bad days that will try to break you. Mapaghihinaan ka ng loob. But don't lose hope, because there's always a better path, a brighter side, and a brighter day. Masayang isipin that you can actually turn your bad days into fun, brighter days. Huwag makontento sa kung anong meron ka na, dahil siguradong may mas magandang daan to a brighter life. Brighten up your life with Bello Intensive Whitening. It has kojic acid and tranexamic acid for an intense kind of white. You don't have to stay in the dark, because now you've got brighter days only with Bello.
With the G-Force, brighten up your life with the Bello beautiful popstar royalty, Sarah Geronimo.
Wow.
For the G-Force and the very beautiful popstar royalty, Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Yan po kami talagang proud to be part of the Bello family. Ako matagal na talaga akong nasa Bello. I've been Bello Beautiful for about 23 years.
23 years?
Right.
I just joined. 5 years na ako sa Bello as an endorser.
5 years?
Camille?
Ako naman, 18 years.
18 years.
Ako
Sarah?
naman po, 7 years na Bello endorser.
If you do the math, somehow that's 25 years of Bella, right, Karel?
Yes, ako sobra 18 years. I was still studying. Di ba ako nag-artista masyado. Talaga nagpapabelo na ako. At nakaka-proud na makasama tayo sa 25 beautiful years ng Bello. And as part of this milestone, Bello brings us another reason to celebrate. Dahil mga kapamilya katulad ni Sarah G, pwede na rin kayo magkaroon ng beautiful skin that will totally brighten up your life sa tulong ng Bello Intensive Whitening. Di ba, Sarah?
Yes, kanil ako. Dahil with Bello Intensive Whitening, magkakaroon na kayo ng beautiful skin and it will also brighten up your life dahil mas magiging confident kayo sa pagharap sa mga life challenges every day.
Is it true that at night you actually glow? You don't need a flashlight anymore because the Bello brightens up your life even during the night. Sarah, tell us more about this new Bello Intensive Whitening.
Okay, Bello Intensive Whitening Bar with kojic acid and tranexamic acid. Kojic acid proven to inhibit the production of melanin and tranexamic acid that effectively lightens stubborn dark spots. Bello Intensive Whitening Bar is also clinically proven to whiten skin 64% better than products with kojic acid alone. Bello Intensive Whitening products will help you achieve an intense kind of white only from Bello.
Right. Only Bello touches our skin. Katulad namin experience beautiful skin by Bello because it's the only trusted name when it comes to beauty for 25 years.
Okay, happy 25 years, Bello, Dr. Vika Bello and Miss Crystal at sa buong Bello Medical Group. Talagang only the best. Go to Bello and only the best come from Bello.
That's right. The new Bello Intensive Whitening is available in face and body bar, lotion, face and neck cream.
Neck cream.
Yes, and Bello Kojic Soap is the superior Kojic brand in the market today. Kaya naman mga kapamilya, samahan ninyo ako sa aking brighter days at subukan nyo rin ang Bello Intensive Whitening available in supermarkets, department stores, and drugstores nationwide. And even in online channels, meron din po.
And the good news is this, you can have the Intensive White Skin today. All of you here in the studio, beautiful women, beautiful men who want to be beautiful women, whoever, whatever you are. Watch out for more exciting happenings with Bello's year-long celebration of their 25th anniversary. Bello, watch out for that.
Kapamilya, orange is the new white. Yes! To know more about this intense kind of white, please watch this.